Hi, I'm Benson.
And I'm Tess.
Welcome to another episode of iHub News.
On this month's episode, we have events at the iHub, what's good at the iHub, member chat, and upcoming events. We started off the month by hosting Pivot East. Our entrepreneurship director, Sheila Birgen.
Birgen or Bergen?
Birgen
Was
the lead organizer. Here's how it went down.
Just to introduce themselves.
Hi, so my name is Frank Tamre.
Hi, my name is Linda Bonyo.
My name is Wanjiro. My name is Jacqueline.
So the next presenter are from Kenya.
We are working on a 3D production that we have called Nashami.
We have this solution.
My first one is just a comment. Please don't get an office space.
Exciting city excursions.
That's just in Africa. Around the world, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry.
So yeah, that's Coinbox.
Thank you.
Partnering with iHub, it has been, powerful.
Great ideas come from everywhere and from anywhere.
There were so many skills that I learned in that job, and I have to say those are the skills I've actually used in running my business.
Pata.com, who happen to be community members at the iHub, have an initiative called Dada Hustler. It's all about women empowerment. This is how it happened when it happened.
We have this Dada Hustler, and we invite all the ladies to join this kind of like marketing campaign. And the more like you get, and then you will get a chance to win the free clothes.
I also have this one that I have on. I have my nephews and nieces that I know when I get home will ask what did I bring. So I have some nice quality trousers for them here. And you can't get this anywhere.
We have a Facebook, Instagram, and a Twitter account. For Facebook, search Pata Africa. For Instagram is Pata_Africa. For Twitter is Pata Africa. Yeah.
Andela, who happen to be part of the tech ecosystem, host an event called The Convergence. This happens every once in a while. Last time it was held at the iHub, and it was all about building world-class engineering teams.
Today we are here for an evening tech ecosystem event in Nairobi by Andela, dubbed The Convergence. Andela is a technology company that works with top tech talent here in Africa and gives them an opportunity to work in a remote and distributed manner with all our partners across the globe.
We are aiming to look for software developers who have 2 years and more in terms of their experience level. We have a team of brilliant engineering recruiters on ground. So you might be asking, what exactly are we looking for? We are looking for people who have the aptitude and the ability to be able to change the world one code at a time.
Benson, ever wondered how to maintain security in software?
No.
Well, we were honored to host Glenn Tate, who ran a session on how to maintain security in software development.
Cool.
I'm going to talk about how to set up security quality gates, how to do CI/CD, so continuous integration, continuous deployment, and how to implement security into it. But of course, that's not the all of it, and it's also about telling about the project, the open source project I do with my brother, the OWASP Security Knowledge Framework, that really helps and teach people for free and how to set up proper security requirements and really do security by design in your software. You can find me on devdev.eu. That's one of the websites where we do the trainings. You can also search on the OWASP project, the OWASP SKF. Then you find the open source project, how you can do proper security by design, all for free. And we have the contrahack.io, where we offer other security consultancy services.
Our member chat this episode is quite different. Sheila had the chance to talk to 2019 Pivot East winners, and this is how it went.
After Pivot East, after winning, how has the journey been?
It has been interesting. We have guys wanting to list with us.
Players like the World Bank and the IFC are interested in what AfriKit can offer.
We benefited greatly through the diversity, knowledge and experience of different entrepreneurs and mentors.
Why would or should a local investor invest in you?
The solutions that we are providing are actually solutions that save lives.
any tech startup, as long as they're scalable, is always value back for money. Your investments will always return back.
The journey of entrepreneurship is a difficult one. It's a long game.
The second segment of the iHub news is always what's good at the iHub. Samba, who's part of their team, is here to tell us what's been happening at the studios.
Thank you, Benson and Tess. We start off the month with good news. The Blaze podcast won Best Use of Podcast by the Africa Content Media Awards. We're so happy to win this, and we've started off the month with a good note.
It is what it is. You know, it's really just about people understanding the industry and knowing that some people, you don't ask them to freestyle. They come out and they do interviews and they just talk about their hits and then just, you know, do what you do good. But don't try to freestyle when you start looking like a clown.
On the 8th episode of Prototype, we were happy to feature Valerie Madhoni, who is a fast and upcoming hip-hop artist, hosted by the one and only Tayo Tripper. Here's a glimpse of the episode.
You have to learn your craft, and like you have to know like the books so no one can play you, because knowledge is power, and power is money.
Yes.
And money is great. Anyway.
Esports gaming in Kenya is becoming a highly engaged activity. We as What's Good Studios were happy to cover the African Esports Championship that was happening at K1 every weekend. It has now become a show, and you can catch it every Tuesdays and Saturdays on KTN.
Coming to Africa for the first time ever, the Africa Esports Championship, Africa's premier esports league. The AEC Kenya Nationals Tournament, with 16 of Kenya's best players battling it out for the chance to compete at the Africa Grand Finals. Who will be named Kenya's Tekken Esports winners? Find out when the Africa Esports Championship Kenya Nationals begin right here on KTN. The AEC Kenya Nationals Tournament, Tuesdays 10 p.m, Saturdays 10:30 p.m. Blaze, be your own boss.
That's it for What's Good Studios at the iHub. Make sure to subscribe to all our channels, What's Good Networks, What's Good Studios, and What's Good Live. See you next time. Over to you, Benson and Tess.
The iHub hosts a free yoga session every single Friday. If you're interested, come to the iHub from 5 to 6 o'clock and enjoy the session. Save it for Friday.
We would love to go on, but that's it for the show today.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all our channels. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.